Mignonette Bailey here, checking in from the garden with your down and dirty garden tip. My question for you today is, what is pollination and why is it so important? Now, if you're going to be growing fruit or vegetables, pollination is definitely something you need to know about. Pollination simply means the transfer of pollen from one plant to another. As simple as it sounds, that process is imperative for about 60% of the world's food, fruit, and vegetables to be produced. Now, ideally, you'll have pollinators in your garden like bees and wasps and butterflies that are helping that process along, but sometimes you gotta take matters into your own hands. To learn more about what I'm talking about, head over to Amphy, sign up for my gardening classes. I want to be part of your growing journey. Happy growing.